Comfortable, professional and effective. Hello, I'm Fern, Weston, Bennett. Some of you may recognise me from sharing my life on YouTube. Today I've been with the VeinCentre having EVLA and foam treatment therapy. I was surprised at how quick the treatment was, all done in less than an hour, and to think that you can actually get your veins done in less than an hour rather than a lifelong time of pain and discomfort and confidence issues. It's just completely worth doing. Hello, I'm Fern, Weston, Bennett. Some of you may recognise me from sharing my life on YouTube. I've been with the VeinCentre having EVLA and foam treatment therapy. So today I have seen Dr. Mark Reggie, who has rescanned both my legs. We noticed that there is some slight underlying veins that have started with the blood flow in the wrong direction. It's very, very minor. It can be left, but as I've come from France, I'm going to get it fixed today. So the consultation is very easy and thorough. You're explained everything from the beginning right through to your treatment plan and the suggested options so that you can make your mind up on the treatment and also what to expect after treatment as well. Everything is explained through a diagram, and you can also see on the scan it's pointed out to you visually so you completely understand what's happening inside your body and also the treatment involved to fix the problem. I'm excited to move forward, get the veins fixed and continue to try and keep them at bay with lifestyle, healthy eating, exercise, and just knowing that I've done everything I can to keep them as minimal as possible. Comfortable, professional and effective. The treatment was amazing. It was really smooth. It took less than an hour and it was very mild discomfort, which I just can't wait to see the results. So the atmosphere was very calm and everything was spoken to you if you wanted it to be. You got told each stage of what was happening. You was constantly reassured, being spoken to, and made sure you was really comfortable. I was surprised at how quick the treatment was, all done in less than an hour, and to think that you can actually get your veins done in less than an hour rather than a lifelong time of pain and discomfort and confidence issues. It's just completely worth doing. There was mild discomfort when I was in there, but now I'm absolutely fine. I've got my stockings on, I've got little plasters here, skin-coloured stockings as well, which helps. And this is going to be like my second skin for the next 7 days. Now I've had my treatment done, I'm looking forward to the small downtime and recovery so I can get back to my active lifestyle, exercise, and just enjoying life.